Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling materials and making the first marks. Lay out sanguine media, mid-toned paper, and a kneaded eraser. This gives you immediate contrast. Once ready, apply a light wash or rub sanguine to create a mid-value ground. This saves time and gives instant atmosphere. Then establish proportions quickly. Measure with pencil or stick, map the major masses with loose gestural lines, and lock the composition. Make these initial steps bold. They determine how convincing your final lights and darks will be. Once the composition is locked, you develop depth by focusing on value relationships. Work from broad dark masses toward midtones, using directional hatching to describe planes and texture. This creates both volume and rhythm. Make sure to vary pressure, heavier strokes for deep shadows, lighter strokes for subtle shifts. Blend selectively with a stump to soften transitions, then reapply sanguine to restore lost warmth. You should also reserve highlights. Either lift with a kneaded eraser or add white chalk, so the lights sing against the red. To finish, sharpen key edges and enhance focal contrasts so the eye rests where you intend. Work small details with a fine sanguine pencil and step back frequently to judge the overall harmony. When satisfied, apply a light, workable fixative from 12–18 inches in thin passes. Let each layer dry before adding more. Finally, mount or frame under glass for protection. If you see dulling or smudging, rework lost highlights and use a final archival spray. This usually restores crispness and secures the drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.